With all the Tesla accessory videos I've done this year, in this video I want to show you what I think are the top must-have Model 3 and Model Y accessories for this year, 2021. I cannot recommend these products enough as I still use them all to this day and most of them since the beginning of the year. My name is Evan, and if you're new here, welcome. I create Tesla content showcasing mostly details on the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y. I also enjoy showing you the latest Tesla gear and accessories on the market today. If you are new here, consider subscribing to see future videos like this. Now let's get right into the first Tesla accessory. To clean your Tesla anywhere at any time while saving money and protecting the planet, the EV Wash Kit is your go-to product. Their company is all about offering the highest quality car care for the most affordable prices, all while protecting the environment with reusable aluminum bottles and biodegradable paper refill pouches. When I received my wash kit, I was quite surprised with the quality of the carrying case and the very durable aluminum spray bottles. The case is equipped with several pouches to hold the waterless wash, interior cleaner, and glass cleaner along with the appropriate microfiber towels. With this portable carrying case always in the car with me, I can be sure to have the right cleaner to remove any bug splatters and bird droppings while on the go. Even the interior cleaner works wonders for all those unexpected spills and messes. I took this on a road trip with me actually to the beautiful Florida Keys to clean my windshield with the glass cleaner while supercharging. I found that leaving the case in the front works best for me. To get your kit, EV Wash was kind enough to offer all of my subscribers 30% off with the coupon code EVAN30 when going through the checkout. Also, EV Wash is kind enough to give away a free yearly subscription of refills to 5 random lucky people when they purchase their kit through the link in the description below. Details for the drawing can also be found in the description. EV Wash is also partnered with One Tree Planted, meaning every kit they sell, 3 trees will be planted on your behalf. Now pause this video quick and check them out in the link below. Take a look at this Tesla mobile charger cap protector. Now I lost track of how many times I've dropped the end of my charger cable on the concrete, as you can see the many scuffs and scratches on the end. This completely odorless rubber cap will completely protect your mobile charger from future scratches, dents, rain, snow, and dirt buildup. I think this is a must-have item, and really I wish Tesla would have offered this earlier. I showcased this item in my May 2021 accessory video, and yes, I still use this today. It works great. The link for this is in the description below. If you are in the market for some new floor mats for your Tesla, you're going to want to check out these by AU Tailors. Made in the USA, these visually appealing all-weather mats offer excellent protection for everyday use. They are completely odorless, lightweight yet very heavy-duty. The non-damaging anti-skid layer keeps the mat in place without damaging the car floor. I have used these mats well over 1 year now and they still look new. I think they look great, especially with my white interior. What's even better is that they make these for all the Tesla models. Now if you're like me and want something different than everybody else, get these beautiful mats. You will not be disappointed. Want to get paid while you shop online like I do? Then you're going to want to check out Rakuten. Save big at thousands of your favorite stores, from clothes and electronics to restaurants and even Uber Eats. They have paid out over $2 billion in cash back to their 15 million plus members by shopping whenever you want, however you want. I personally use Rakuten for booking hotel stays, rental cars, and travel excursions. The cash back really adds up over time, and why not pay yourself for the things that you're going to buy anyways? Lucky for you, Rakuten is also offering a cash sign-up bonus just by clicking on the link in this video found in the description below. Who doesn't like free money? Check them out today. This very popular accessory that works for any vehicle is called the drop stop, which you may have seen in the famous TV series Shark Tank. Just admit it, we've all had that one thing that drops in between the seat and the center console. Drop stop blocks that dangerous gap with its high-grade neoprene filler. It's also beyond easy to install by placing it in between the seat and the center console and wrapping it around the seatbelt fitting. You'll hardly notice it's there, and again, this will work with most vehicles, not just a Tesla. It comes with a lifetime warranty, and for the price it's a no-brainer. I featured this in one of my 2020 Tesla accessory videos, and yes, it's still in my Tesla Model 3 today. It's awesome. Also, DropStop was kind enough to offer a giveaway of their product. 3 lucky people will be entered into a drawing for a free set of drop stops and announced on my YouTube newsfeed. Just subscribe and comment below that you would like to be entered in. Details for this can be found in the description below. If you're looking for a little more head and neck support when driving, these extremely comfortable headrest pillows by Testcamp look like they are made by Tesla. The high quality leather feels exactly the same as the Tesla seats. What makes these neck pillows even more attractive is the invisible strap that tucks in behind the headrest. The pillow has two slots approximately 1.5 inches apart to match your preferred height comfort. Once you have the strap wrapped around the headrest and tucked away, simply attach the hooks onto the loops on the back of the pillow. Some neck pillows on the market are too thick, causing your head to push forward, but this one has the proper amount of cushioning, offering exceptional head support. If there's still too much support, you can unzip the back and take out some of the filling for your preferred comfort. If you are finding this video entertaining this far, consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel below so current and future Tesla owners can find this. I would greatly appreciate it. These are the first pillows that I have found that blend right into the seat with no ugly noticeable strap behind the headrest, keeping that minimalist look inside the Tesla. These will work with both the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y, and also come in the color black. This handheld portable vacuum by Bezos had me sold with no dangling power cord. The wireless turbocharged motor offers about 45 minutes of runtime, which is more than enough to vacuum out your interior. I took this vacuum to the test in my Tesla, first using the brush attachment going over the driver's side floorboard. This vacuum far exceeds the one I had earlier that plugged into the 12-volt power socket in the center console. As you can see over this time lapse, the floor is almost free of debris. For those hard to reach areas, simply attach the blower tool at the bottom of the vacuum, and now we can push out debris out of cup holders, window buttons, and air vents. My girlfriend took this to the ultimate test in her car, which in my opinion is absolutely filthy. Using the vacuum on high power mode with the brush attachment, it worked wonders, especially utilizing the blower function to release all the dust in the cup holders. She wanted to keep this vacuum for herself. The vacuum even has a built-in light to see in those dark corners. Just hold down the button for 3 seconds to activate. With the compact design, it creates many places to store the vacuum in the car. I just leave it in the side rear trunk compartment for easy access. You can even charge it in your Tesla with the USB cord by plugging it into the rear center console ports. Check out the link for this in the description below to order yours today. Have a look at this extra large folding table that fits inside your Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. It's perfect for all those who need to get some work done while on the go, especially while waiting at the Tesla supercharger. The table sits on both ends of the center console and the door side armrest. Put your driver's seat in a lounge position, turn on Hulu or Netflix on the Tesla screen with your cup of coffee and feel just like you're at home. This table is also great for eating with the added indented sides to hold a cup and various other small items. When finished, just fold it up and store inside your frunk or sub-trunk. Weighing at only 4 pounds is really a nice accessory to have when taking road trips. Check out the link for this in the description below. On both the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y, the center console screen is permanently affixed to the dash with no ability to turn it left or right until now. I've installed this screen rotating mount that will now allow you to turn the screen fully facing the driver, the rear seat, or the passenger. What's even better is how it looks from behind. This is the first screen swivel mount that looks nearly OEM with its custom fit bracket that matches the dash, unlike others on the market that have a cloth wrap with Velcro. Now that's worth smashing the like button for if you haven't already. If you would like to know more details about the screen tilt, please have a look at my full installation video found right here. To keep your glove box neat and organized, I would recommend this partition box that creates 5 separate cubby holes. You can see the mess I had in my glove box, including paperwork, pens, keys, a charging adapter, and a phone cord. Taking all that out and inserting the storage shelf now creates a more seamless look. All of your items now have a home and it's faster to find what you're looking for. The plastic frame fits the glove box perfectly and will not rattle around or fall out. This will fit any Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y glove box regardless of the year it was built. Organize your items today by checking out the link in this video below. If you're looking to remove those ugly fingerprints on the screen of your Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y, you may want to check out this matte screen protector. Now I have tried out a few screen protectors before I was satisfied with this one. This protector will offset the glare from the original glass screen, reduce if not eliminate fingerprints, and for all those who wear polarized sunglasses like me, no rainbow effect. I really prefer the matte look of the screen, but if you prefer just a clear glass, there are options out there too. Installing this will take a little bit of patience. First, use the included alcohol wipe to remove all the fingerprints and dirt, place the protector on the screen, and attach the included stickers to perfectly align the matte protector. It's very imperative to remove all the dust particles and smudges before you place it onto the screen. Just take your time. When removing the backing, slowly let the screen fall into place from one corner to the other. I held onto the edge until the very end. Once installed, it really looks great. It's hardly noticeable, and for the price, you can't beat it. I've had this installed for about 2 years now, and it still looks brand new. Now when I took delivery, I did not apply any ceramic coat protectant to my white interior, which I regretted later after finding a light blue line in the rear seat from blue jeans or a rideshare passenger. After trying multiple products to uplift the stain, nothing really seemed to work. Needless to say, I learned my lesson and found out that many Tesla owners applied this Geon leather ceramic shield to their interior, especially those with the white seats. Overall, to make your cleanup process easier in the future, be sure to apply this stuff to prolong the life of your interior. I think it's a must-have product and really should be applied immediately after delivery. This will not cause any fading, cracking, or stiffness in the feel of the seats. For more detailed instruction on how to apply this Geon leather shield to your Tesla, you can click on the link in this video found right here. If you're about to order your Tesla and are on the fence on which color to get, I can assure you as long as you maintain your interior, you'll be happy you chose the white. I personally love the way it looks, especially with my AU Taylor floor mats. To keep the inside of your Tesla cool in 2022, this top-rated sunshade by Auto Heat Shield offers exceptional sun protection. While it may cost slightly more than other sunshades on the market, I've been using this one since 2019, and this one is well made with a thick thermal heat barrier and covers almost 100% of the windshield. It folds up neatly with the included storage case and can be stored in the back seat or trunk for next time use. One note I want to point out is that heat is the enemy for a Tesla. Why? Because heat will diminish the state of charge quickly. If you have ever noticed your Tesla's fan running randomly in the summer heat when parked, it's because your car is keeping the batteries at optimal temperature to prolong the life of them. To save on battery consumption, this is one item you could add to your Tesla to keep the cabin cooler and ultimately save on electricity. This will also keep the cabin overheat protection mode from turning on often. Anything over 105 degrees will enable the cabin to cool when the battery is over 20% state of charge when parked for up to 12 hours. The sunshade is available for both the Tesla Model Y and Tesla Model 3. Do you want to see even more cool stuff? Then go ahead and check out my new website for all the products I have shown in my other videos. The link for this is in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it, consider dropping a like for me down below and subscribing to see future content like this. If there is something you would like to see on my accessory videos, let me know in the comment section below. Again, my name is Evan, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.